While I was going through social media yesterday behaving like a lost sheep because I was jobless and I had nothing to do, I saw on one of the blogs that a man infected his wife with HIV/AIDS and I quickly shared it to my friend because she has this opinion that somebody can love you and stitch it. And I'll be wondering, how possible is that somebody will be in love with you and stitch it? Apart from even the cheating, I want her to also recognize that emotional distress is not even the top consequences you have from a cheating spouse. What about physical distress, medical distress? Imagine somebody infecting you with disease after you have been faithful all your life, after you have been careful all your life, and you are telling me the person loves you. People don't know what love is. People think love is sexual attraction, enjoying somebody's company, always want to be in somebody's arm. Love is deeper than that. Love is intentionally not wanting to hurt somebody because you have placed yourself in their shoe and you are not seeing life from their perspective, and you know that if you do something like this, it's going to hurt this person, and because you love them the way you love yourself, you don't want to hurt this person because hurting them means hurting yourself. That's what love is. Anything other than this is nonsense. And so people will be like, and sometimes cheating can be a mistake. Cheating can never be a mistake. It's a well thought out process. In short, it is more difficult to cheat than to have a first class in medicine and surgery. There are planned dates. There are planned rooms. People intentionally, they know that this thing they're doing is wrong. They know it's going to hurt you. They know you might not take it lightly, but they just do it anyway to satisfy their selfishness. I'm not saying you should not forgive your spouse that cheats. That's left for you. Do whatever you want to do with your cheating spouse. If you want to remain with them, if you want to continue to love them, that's left for you. But having this mentality or belief that they still love you or they still care about you after cheating, that's a lie from the pit of hell, baby. A cheat does not care about you. They only care about themselves. That's why they will intentionally hide. That's why they will intentionally be sneaky and hurt you. And if they discover that you have caught them before and you didn't react, they will apologize. But you have already given them an avenue to be more sneaky, to be more wise. And if you catch them more than once and you continue to forgive and you continue to forgive, and they know that, oh, you are not living, they are not being crucified, or they don't have consequences for the cheating, one day they will tell you, did I ask you to forgive me? Why can't I even cheat? It's not a big deal. One day they'll rub it on your face because you never reacted. You continue to forgive them. Rub it on your face and be like, oh, come on, I beg, get out. Because you actually don't love yourself enough to say enough is enough. I don't want to be treated like this. You don't love yourself, so they will treat you any way they want. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.